Hi everyone, my name is Shawn Wildermuth, and welcome to my course, Best Practices in ASP.NET Core, Entities, Validation, and View Models. I'm an author, trainer, and 15-time Microsoft MVP. Are you struggling when dealing with entities, validation, and models inside your .NET applications? Getting a handle on the correct balance of simplicity and complexity is tough in any system, but learning when to use view models and when to just use your data's entities is a crucial skill every developer needs. In this course, I will walk you through the best practices of using entities, models, and validation. Some of the major topics that we will cover include making sense of the jargon of entities, views, and view models, implementing validation inside and outside of your entities, and understanding how to use view models in your web projects and when building APIs. By the end of this course, you'll understand the reasoning behind separating entities and view models, and be adept at discerning the difference. This course is a great follow-on to learning how ASP.NET Core works, and will help you plan for large-scale applications and long-lived development cycles. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the best practices of using entities, view models, and validation in my Best Practices in ASP.NET Core, Entities, Validation, and View Models course here at Pluralsight.